I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and in this video, we'll go over the loader attachment. Our tractor is a specialized piece of equipment, and it's actually fairly rare that you see a loader on one of our tractors in our marketing videos. That's because most of the time we're using different attachments, but a loader adds the value of being able to move material when a high load height is required. This could be in a landscaping scenario where you're dumping mulch behind bushes or moving material from property into the back of a pickup truck or a dump trailer. A loader like this one is very common to see on most compact tractors. On a Ventrac, however, we're a little more of a specialized piece of equipment, and it's not quite as common to see this loader. We have a smaller bucket that most of our customers opt for because usually material handling doesn't have to happen at high load heights. But when it does, we also have this loader attachment to suit those needs. This does come in handy for when you need to move material into or out of a pickup truck bed or dump trailer, or you're working on a property that has obstructions like bushes or hedges where you need to work behind those areas. On this particular loader, we have the standard bucket attached to it. It's a 48-inch bucket with a 5 cubic foot capacity. The second option we have available for this loader is a set of pallet forks. The Ventrac loader has a lift height of 77 inches and a lift capacity of 500 pounds. This loader operates and fits on a standard 4500 tractor, but you do need a rear weight bar and additional weights to run this loader. There are two options to run rear weights for this loader. There's a regular loader bar that plugs directly into the 2-inch receiver, and then the Ventrac weights go on that. Or if your tractor has a 3-point hitch, you can use the Ventrac 3-in-1 and install the weights onto that piece. Another piece that can give the loader added utility is the optional foot pedal. By having this on your tractor, it allows you to control the foot pedal to move the tractor forward and reverse while you still have one hand on the steering wheel and on the loader controls. It's important to note that with this loader, you can only use it with the base configuration tractor. You can't use it with a cab or dual wheels. The reasons for this are because the forward ROP structure that's located on the loader itself interferes with the cab and can't be connected. And if you're using the loader with dual wheels, you can exert too much force and bend the axles. It has a standard hydraulic joystick with 4 different directional movements to control the dump and curl function of the bucket, as well as the up and down movement of the loader arms. The most notable difference between the Ventrac loader and other compact tractor loaders is that the Ventrac loader doesn't use the tractor auxiliary hydraulics to power its functions. Instead, our loader has its own hydraulic system that runs off the tractor PTO. Because of this design, there are no hydraulics that need to be connected from the loader itself to the tractor. So when hooking this loader up, it's a much faster process. All you have to do is connect the hitch arms, close both clasps on the left and right side of the loader bar, and then attach the belt-driven PTO. It's a process that only takes a couple of minutes on or off. Also, because of the fact that this loader is driven off of our PTO, the PTO switch must be engaged to run this loader. What this means is the tractor requires the PTO to be running in order to make movements with this loader. If the PTO is turned off, the loader will not be functional. The biggest advantage of this loader attachment is the Ventrac itself. You get all the same utility out of this loader as a similar compact tractor mounted loader, and then when you're done using it, you still have all the versatility of the Ventrac equipment left over. Our tractor is much better suited for working on delicate terrain than any other compact tractor, and that's the difference. You get both with the Ventrac. Thank you for watching this video on the loader. For more information on this and other Ventrac products, visit our website at ventrac.com or visit your nearest local dealer. Also, be sure to check out our other Simple Start videos for quick references on other attachments from Ventrac.